Let's determine the estimated load current for your large receptacles to figure out wire sizing and circuit protection. Since you don't know the specific load size, we'll estimate based on potential usage scenarios and industry standards. For the 200 amp receptacle, think about commercial or industrial equipment with high power requirements, or multiple heavy-duty tools or machines being plugged in. A reasonable estimated load current would be 150 amps. For the 60 amp 208 volt 3-phase receptacle, consider industrial machinery or equipment with moderate power needs or welding equipment. A good estimated load current there would be 45 amps. Now let's talk wire sizing. For the 200 amp receptacle, use number 2 AWG wire for both phases and the neutral. For the 60 amp receptacle, use number 6 AWG wire for all 3 phases. Remember, this is a general recommendation. Always refer to the National Electrical Code, also known as the NEC, and consult with a licensed electrician for specific guidance. Regarding circuit protection, for the 200 amp receptacle, use a 200 amp circuit breaker or fuse. For the 60 amp receptacle, use a 60 amp circuit breaker per phase or a 60 amp time delay fuse. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. 1. Conduit size. Ensure that the conduit diameter is sufficient to accommodate the cables you've selected. 2. Conduit fill. Keep the conduit fill percentage below 40% to prevent overheating. 3. Voltage drop. Calculate the voltage drop over the long runs and make sure it doesn't exceed 5% of the nominal voltage. 4. Future expansion. Consider potential future load increases and size the wiring and circuit protection accordingly.